This Kordisen Granite Fry Pan is like a trusty friend in your kitchen. It helps you make yummy dinners without any fuss. The non-stick surface is so good that food slides right off. Cleaning up is super easy. And that gives you more confidence in your cooking. This pan can work on all kinds of stovetops. And it's made without harmful stuff. The Kordisen Granite Fry Pan has a special granite stone coating. This makes it great for cooking because food won't stick. You can even cook with less oil, which is good for you. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks just right. It also comes with a lid, which helps keep the heat in and your food moist. This Kordisen Granite Fry Pan aims to meet your expectations for a reliable pan. If you are looking for new equipment for your kitchen, consider this pan. It's an 11-inch Saute pan, so it's a good size for many meals. The Kordisen Granite Fry Pan is also PFOA free. This means it's made without certain chemicals. While we don't have the UPC or information about shipping to Singapore or Canada right now, this pan is a great status symbol for any home chef who values easy and healthy cooking. It might not be for outdoors cooking, but it's perfect for creating your favorite lists of recipes. Pros: PFOA free, induction ready, all stovetops, even heating, with lid, deep skillet, granite coating, good size, 11-inch, durable build. Cons: non-stick may degrade, can't use high heat, not metal utensil safe, handle may loosen, uneven heating possible, lid handle gets hot, durability is a concern, coating could chip, might not last years, cleaning still needed. Features: includes a lid 11-inch size, sauté pan style, granite stone coat, good for cooking. Induction ready, all stovetops okay. PFOA chemical free. This Kordisen 11-inch deep frying pan has a non-stick granite coating, which means food should not stick easily while you cook. It comes with a lid and is good for all kinds of cooking on any stovetop, even induction. The pan is also made without a chemical called PFOA. This 11-inch Kordisen deep frying pan with a lid has a granite stone nonstick coating and is PFOA free, making it a healthy option for all stovetops, including induction. It heats evenly and has a durable build, though the nonstick might wear down over time. You can't use high heat or metal utensils, and the handle might get loose. While uneven heating and a hot lid handle are possible, while generally durable, the coating could chip, and it might not last for many years. Plus, it still needs cleaning.